In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access blueprints in Wrike. If you're managing projects using Wrike, understanding how to leverage blueprints can significantly streamline your workflow. Blueprints in Wrike are essentially templates that help you plan and manage repetitive tasks or projects efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together, and soon you'll be navigating these features with ease. First things first. Let's open your preferred internet browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, it's important to use a browser you're comfortable with since you'll be spending time there as you work through these steps. In the search bar, type in Wrike and hit Enter. This should bring up Wrike's official website as the top search result. Click on that link to get started. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll see options to either log in if you already have an account or to try Wrike for free if you're new. Click on Log In if you have your account set up. Users who are exploring Wrike for the first time can opt for Try Wrike for free, which will guide you through the process of setting up an account. After successfully entering your workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation hub within Wrike. It's packed with tools and options that will help you manage various aspects of your projects. On the sidebar, you'll find different sections and features that Wrike offers, each designed to enhance your productivity. Next, locate the tab that corresponds with your current workspace or space. Spaces in Wrike are essentially organizational units that help you categorize and manage related tasks and projects. Click on this tab, and you'll likely see a drop-down menu unfurl, filled with additional options specific to that space. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Blueprints option. Blueprints are tailor-made templates within Wrike that store your defined workflows. By choosing this option, you're diving into a resource that allows you to handle repetitive projects and tasks with precision and efficiency. And there you have it. Accessing blueprints in Wrike is as simple as using the right tools to streamline your project management tasks. Understanding how to properly utilize blueprints can save you time and ensure that your projects follow a consistent and organized approach. Whether you're new to Wrike or an experienced user, harnessing blueprints can elevate your efficiency and overall management strategy. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps you in your Wrike journey.